Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload the new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Gmail over here, and once you click on your Gmail, at the upper right corner you can see your profile there. Just click on your profile, and once you click on your profile you can see add another account. Just click on add another account, and then you click on Google over here. So just wait as it is loading over here. So just wait for a while, and then you have to confirm your password or your pattern. So just wait for some second as it is loading. Now you can see over here it is asking for your email and phone number. All you need to do is to click on create account. So just click on create account, and you can see myself. Just click on myself and enter your name. So let me enter my first and my last name. So let me So now once you have entered your name, all you need to do is to click on next, and once you click on that, you have to select your date of birth. You can choose any of them. So you can choose, let me choose 9th, and let me choose the year. So you can choose any year at all, and you select gender and then enter if a male or a female. Then you click on next. Once you have entered your basic information, then you click on next, and once you click on next, you can see it has given you some Gmail over here, some accounts over here. Now don't choose any of them. You can see pick a Gmail address or create your own. In this case we have to create our own, so just click on create your own Gmail address. Click on that, and then you can see it is asking for your own Gmail address that you prefer. So you can see create a Gmail address. In this case, don't continue, just go back and then open your Google Play Store. So just open your Play Store over here. So where's my Play Store? Okay, so just open your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store, let me go back. You search for this application over here, Insta double DR. So you can see this is the application. You can see Insta double DR. I have already downloaded this application, so all I need to do is to go ahead and then open this Insta double DR. So just open this application. This is a very special application. If you already having it but not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So if you're already having this application but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated. Now once you have opened this application, you can see the first option says create an address automatically. Just click on create an address automatically, and you can see over here it has given you this Gmail address. So all you need to do is to click on copy email address. Click on that. Now email address has been copied. You can see copied. In this case, all you need to do is to go back and then continue. So in this case, all you need to do is to paste the Gmail address over here, so just paste it. And then in this case, all you need to do is to delete everything, including the art. So you have to delete. Okay, so you can see over here at gmail.com is already here, so you have to delete everything, including the art. Now once you are done, then you click on next. So just wait for a while as it is creating. So now in this case, the next step, all you need to do is to create a strong password. So let me choose this password. So I'm choosing this strong password. Okay, I think this is cool. Once you have entered your strong password, then you click on next. And once you click on next, just you can see over here it has given you your contact, but I don't want to use this contact to create my account. I just want to skip this contact option. So just click on skip, and now boom, I have skipped it, and you can see the account is created successfully. So you can see Freedom Jan, and you can see I have now created the Gmail address without my phone contact. This is very, very amazing, and with this trick you can create unlimited Gmail account. This is so amazing. So all you need to do is to click on next, and then you agree to their services, and that's it. So once you click on next, all you need to do is to click on I agree, and by clicking on I agree, you have created your unlimited Gmail account. This is so amazing. You can do this over and over again and create unlimited Gmail account without your phone number. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new